mining request in Odoo 13. Lead mining request in Odoo 13 is a feature that enables us to generate leads from the scratch and directly from the database. Okay, so it is one of the super tool that can be used for to get quality leads for the growth of a business. So let's see how it's working. So now we go to the CRM module, and now here in the configuration settings, here you can see an option for lead mining. Okay, this option is mainly used when we are applying this option. We have to generate new leads, or we have to pay some credits based on this option. Okay, so you can see that I have already enabled this option, lead mining. So when I enable this option and when I click on this save button here, you can see, and when you go back to the CRM dashboard, you can see a button called generate leads has came here. So when you click on this generate lead button, you can see that here first we have to notice that how much requests we are giving. So if I need, I can set it as 2 requests, or here I can change it as 10 requests. So let's move on with 3 requests. Okay, and here we can also set the target based on the companies and their contacts. And here we also have a specific option to set the country, set the state. Here we can set the state here, set it as Kerala. And here we also have the different industries, which is it can be a media industry, can be a real estate industry, transportation, insurance, like that. And here we can set it like that. So I'm setting it as a media. And if you want, we can also filter the size of it. From here, we can filter means that if we need to filter based on the employees in a company from around between 250 to 1000 employees. Okay. And here we have the option to set the sales team, the salesperson who is responsible for this sales, and the person who's responsible for this. And here we can also set the default tags either based on the product or the software. Okay, and when we click on this generate lead option here, it gives a pop-up, or it gives a form, new form has been come with a showing a button here as buy credits. So this feature will mainly be available to all of the people by using the buy credits option, and it's really a good method for the upcoming business, good upcoming business people, because you can create leads, greater leads, and you can the business can be flourished in different ways. So you have to buy credits here. In this way, we can do lead mining requests in Odoo 14 in CRM module.
Get more details and support.